Okay, guys. So we are looking at a system of inequality now. Your system in this case is y is less than or equal to negative x squared plus 4, and y is greater than or equal to x squared plus 2x plus 1. The first thing that we're going to do is just follow kind of like the same steps we did before. We're going to graph the quadratic function. So we're going to graph, in this case, we're graphing y equals negative x squared plus 4. So we're going to graph it on my coordinate plane. I know that it has y-intercept of 4, and it's going to go look like this. Just by plugging in the calculator, I can see that this is what my function looks like, or just knowing the axis symmetry, that if I know this is my vertex, which I know that my axis symmetry is right down the middle, because b is 0. So I get that graph. Now I'm going to connect the dots because it's equal to. I'm going to connect with the solid like this. Okay. Now the next step, step 2, if you guys remember. Now I'm going to choose a point not on the parabola and plug it into the inequality. I'm going to plug 0, 0 in because that's the easiest one. Remember my inequality was y is less than or equal to negative x squared plus 4. So I'm going to plug 0 in place of y and 0 in place of x. When I do that, I get 0 is less than or equal to 4. Now because 0 is less than or equal to 4, what I'm going to do is I'm going to shade where 0, 0 is right there. So all these points are a solution to that first set of inequality. That first inequality, y is less than or equal to negative x squared plus 4. And then what I'm going to do is just repeat the process for the other inequality, y equals x squared plus 2x minus 1. So in this case, I know it has a y-intercept at negative 1, and it has an axis of symmetry at negative 1. And my vertex will turn out to be negative 1. Negative 2 is my vertex. And I'm just going to graph the rest of the curve. So I have my points on my curve. I can try to draw a couple more. Now I want to connect the dots. I'm going to choose 0, 0 again because it's not on the curve. So it was 0. I do 0 squared plus 2 times 0 minus 1. Is 0 greater than or equal to negative 1? Yeah. So 0, 0 is right here. So I'm going to shade the in. Oh, I had to connect this, right? So it's going to be a solid. Because 0, 0 is a solution point, I can shade the inside part of my curve. And where the colors connect, that's where my solution is. So like all my solutions are right in the middle where they two intersect. I'll ask you guys to try the next one.